Hello YouTube viewers, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Here I am going to open a new world of programming by exploiting all the possibilities of Java programming language. Before that, a word for my friends who consider writing programs is the most tedious task in the world. Let me remind a friendly Indian philosophic concept that you are the ultimate power. You can do anything and everything. For an example, as we know, we see objects through the light rays falling from those objects to our retina, but those images would be inverted and 2D. So definitely there should be a set of algorithms for converting that image into its original format. That is, to rotate the image to 180 degrees and giving the 3D effects, etc. And who is responsible for writing all such algorithms? Yourself. You yourself are responsible for writing such complex, powerful algorithms. So you are such a genius for writing those algorithms. For as far as you are concerned, writing Java programs would be the easiest tasks. By injecting this fact, let me introduce my first Java programming tutorial and let's have a cup of Java. What is Java? Java is a high-level, general-purpose, object-oriented programming language by James Gosling. What do you mean by high-level? High-level programming language is one in which we use normal British English word to develop a program. For example, void, print, break, continue. These words are understood by a normal person. And what is object-oriented means? In the object-oriented programming is a method in which we use classes and objects to develop programs. We would see later about object-oriented programming in detail. Now just understand that Java is a high-level, general-purpose and object-oriented programming language. And also Java is a pure object-oriented programming language and C++ is a semi-object oriented programming language. Why CPP is a semi-object oriented programming language, do you know? Because here C++ is a language which is derived from C. C is a procedure oriented programming language. So in C++ we can write both object oriented and procedure oriented. That is, there is no compulsion for we should use the classes and objects in C++. That is our choice. We can use or we should not use. So in CPP it supports both object-oriented concept and also procedure-oriented concept. But in Java is a pure object-oriented programming language. So there should be at least one class. Everything should be inside a class, and Java treats everything as an object. So Java is a pure object-oriented programming language. Also, even main function should be inside a class. And there is another fact that any programming language that supports data hiding can be said as a pure object-oriented programming language. So C++ violates the concept of data hiding by using front function. So it is not pure. But Java, there is no front function. We cannot access the private members of a class outside. So it supports 100% the data hiding concept. So it is a pure object-oriented programming language. Next, why Java is so important today? Java is widely used in app development for Android and BlackBerry. That is, for Android and BlackBerry, for developing applications we use Java. And also we can develop web applications using Java by the concepts of servlets and JSP. So they are used to develop web applications like Facebook, or go to Google, etc. They are all web applications. So in Java we can also develop web applications by using servlets and JSPs. And more than 3 billion devices on Java, including computers, mobile phones, printers, routers and more. Next is Java editions. What are the editions of Java? First of all, J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition or Java Standard Edition. It is an edition used to support the development for desktop applications. And the next one is J2EE or Java.E. It is an edition that is used to develop web applications. So in Java we use J2EE for developing web applications by using JSPs and servlets. The next edition is Java ME Micro Editions. This edition is used for the limited power display storage capability devices such as printers, mobile phones, set-top boxes, etc. Then Java is not. Certainly, Java is not JavaScript. What is JavaScript? It is a scripting technology used with HTML. While Java is a programming technology, and also JavaScript is a product of Netscape Navigator, while Java is now the product of Oracle Corporation. So the JavaScript and Java are entirely different components. And the next one is Java is not used to develop iOS applications. That is, for Java is not used to develop the applications for iPhone or iPad. The applications of iPhone and iPad are developed in Objective-C. The next one is similar languages to Java: C, C++, C#, JavaScript, PHP, etc. Dissimilar languages: VB.NET, Cold Fusion, VB, etc. The next is history of Java. How Java was born. Actually, in 1991, Sun Microsystems developed a programming language called Awk for electronic devices. Later, when Internet became popular, they used Awk for writing programs for Internet. So, a Java program which runs in a browser, Internet browser, is called Applet. And also in 1994 they released the first product of Awk, that is Hot Java, which is a web browser. And in 1995 Awk was renamed to Java, and in 1997 the Sun releases the first JDK, that is Java Development Kit. JDK is a kit that is composed of some components which is used for the development of Java programs and softwares, that are compilers, disassemblers, interpreters, etc. So all these components are which is included in the kit called JDK, Java Development Kit. And in 2010 a major change occurred in the life cycle of Java, which is the Oracle Corporation buys Sun Microsystems. And the next is the features of Java. What are all the important concepts and features of Java? The first one is Java is simple, object oriented and familiar. Java is very simple, and why it is object oriented I have already discussed in the previous slide. And Java is familiar because if you know C or C++, you can learn Java very easily. So it is familiar. And the next most important feature of Java is platform independent. Why Java is platform independent, or what is the concept of platform independent? You know, if you write a C or C++ programs, it will support only in the operating system MS-DOS, while a Java program can be supported in any operating system or any platform, irrespective of what it may be, the Windows or DOS or Linux or Unix, whatever it may be, a Java programs will run irrespective of what the platform is. So this is the concept of platform independence. And the next one is robust and secure. Robust means somewhat healthy, because in Java the occurrence of runtime error rate is too low, or even if there is any runtime errors occur, Java will effectively manage those runtime errors using the concept of exception handling. And Java is very secure. And also Java provides a feature of automatic garbage collector. What is automatic garbage collector? Do you know, in C++, if we write a program by using classes and objects, we need to explicitly delete all those objects or deallocate the objects by using the concept of destructors. Java does not support the use of destructor. Why? Because Java has the automatic garbage collector concept. It will automatically deallocate or delete all the unwanted objects from the memory. So that is the the automatic garbage collector concept. And the next one is multi-threaded. What is multi-threading means? Do you know what is multitasking? If you use Windows or Mac, you may know about multitasking. What is that concept? That concept is we can write a program, meanwhile we can listen to music, and also we can download a file from a web browser. So we are doing simultaneously different tasks. That is what is known as multitasking. In Java, multitasking is supported by multi-threading, or a single Java program is divided into different modules, and each modules are simultaneously executed in the memory, and all those modules which are simultaneously executed in the memory are called threads. So this is the concept of multi-threading. At the same time we can perform different tasks, and also the feature is high performance. And next concept, we have already discussed about the platform independent nature of Java. Java is platform independent, and do you know why Java is platform independent? The answer is very pretty simple. That is the Java virtual machine. By using the concept of Java virtual machine, Java is platform independent. How it is possible? First of all, do you know C or C++, we use compiler to compile the high-level program to machine code which is understood by a machine or computer. The computer does not understood the high-level program, so we have to convert it into low-level or binary by using compiler. In basic programming language we use interpreter, but in Java we use both compiler and interpreter in order to convert a high-level program to machine code. The first task is the Java program is compiled by the compiler, that is Java compiler, Java.C. So Java.C will compile the Java program and convert that program into a specific code called a bytecode, and this bytecode would be contained in the file called class file. So the compiler's job is over. The next one is the interpreter's task, and the interpreter takes the compiled bytecode and execute for a specific machine. That is what is a virtual machine, that is JVM, Java virtual machine. So the interpreter executes the bytecode for a virtual machine, not for the Windows, not for the Mac, not for the Linux, etc., but it would execute the code for a virtual machine. That virtual machine is called Java virtual machine. So Java is platform independent because it is not executed for a specific platform or a specific operating system. It executes for a virtual operating system, so a virtual machine. So Java is platform independent. The next one is something in C but not in Java. What are all means? The statements like size of, type def, struct, union, the modifiers like extend, auto, signed, unsigned, etc. The preprocessors are not supported by the Java, pointers are not supported by the Java. Something in C++, not in Java. What are all the concepts? First one is operator overloading. Do you know guys what is operator overloading? In a normal case, a binary operator plus is used to add two numbers. We can no longer add two strings, that is Anil plus Sunil is equal to Anil Sunil is not possible in the normal case, but we can give an additional meaning to an existing operator such as binary plus. So in order to give an additional meaning, we should write the program into more specific way that compiler would understand there is a concept behind that meaning. That is, we are giving an additional meaning to an existing operator. That is what is known as operator overloading. By overloading these operators, we can give additional meaning, and then the binary plus can be used to add two strings. That is what is an operator overloading concept. But Java does not support operator overloading. C++ supports. The template classes are not supported by Java. Multiple inheritance is not at all supported by Java. What is multiple inheritance means? We can derive derived class B from two base classes A and B. So a derived class D is derived from two base classes A and B. This is what is multiple inheritance, which is not supported by Java. Instead of multiple inheritance, we can use the concept of interface. The next is the global variables are not at all supported by Java. Then something in Java and not in C and C++. What are all the concepts? First one is the instance of operator, labeled break and continue, improved for loops, variable arguments, interface, and more. Next one is IDE. What is an IDE? Means integrated development environment, which is an environment where we can write programs, compile and execute, and we can see the output. That is an IDE. Java does not have its own IDE, but we are using third-party IDEs such as NetBeans, Eclipse, BlueJ, IntelliJ IDEA, JCreator, etc. For professional software development, we use NetBeans or Eclipse. BlueJ is for simply for educational purposes, and these three, NetBeans, Eclipse, BlueJ, these three guys are absolutely free, and they are paid softwares. Okay, so this is what is IDE. Next one is the first Java program, would be explained in the next video, definitely. And thank you, and if you guys liked what you see, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Thank you very much.